What's up, YouTube? It's Joe here. Yes, new stimulus is coming. Those fourth stimulus checks are coming. Schumer has found a way to get stimulus passed. We have big news on the Democrat side of having a way to pass a new stimulus package with direct stimulus checks to Americans. Also, we got a timeline of when we can actually see some new stimulus come to play and get passed with some stimulus checks. Also, some more info on the third stimulus checks for those that haven't received it yet, and a date for those that receive benefits from the VA. Plus, we also got some more information on if you haven't received your stimulus and what you need to do. And I can't believe it, but there is actually $1.3 billion in unclaimed tax refunds. So we got directions on what you need to do to make sure that you get the money that's owed to you. But let's give away our own stimulus here on True Life Investing. If we can get to 5,000 likes on this video, I'm going to give away $300 to somebody on this channel. So stay tuned to see what to do to qualify. I just wanted to say y'all are the best. I love seeing all your comments. Y'all are so kind in all the likes and on all the videos. So why don't you do me a quick favor and click that like button for me and my best friend, the YouTube algorithm. We really appreciate it. It helps to grow the channel and get this information out there. Schumer did it. He found a way to get another stimulus package passed. We were not worried about the votes for the House or getting the votes for the Senate. What we were concerned about was the process of actually getting it passed. The reason why this is so important is because there is no way that the Republicans were going to do anything with the Democrats. It doesn't matter if it's infrastructure. The Republicans have openly said they do not agree with the Democrats on policy or these new stimulus packages, so they ain't voting with the Democrats. So as much as there needs to be unification in the Congress, in the Senate, in the House of Representatives, yeah, that's not happening. There's not enough bipartisan support to bring together a bill and get it passed the normal way with 60 votes in the Senate. So we have Schumer, who has been working like no one's business to find a way that would allow the Democrats to use the budget reconciliation process to pass another bill by only having simple majority in the Senate. This was the exact same way that they passed the previous stimulus package of $1.9 trillion with simple majority vote in the Senate of only having 51 votes. There was a ruling by the Senate parliamentarian that is going to allow the Democrats to pass this next stimulus package. So using budget reconciliation, again, it has to be related to taxes and spending, but this is going to allow for another fourth round of stimulus checks. We've got 21 plus Senate Democrats, including the leader of the Senate, which is Chuck Schumer, saying that they want to add stimulus checks and that this plan has to be passed and has a way to be passed. So we can expect them now to add this to the legislation, on top of them wanting to get it passed by this summer. They are shooting for $2,000 checks to be sent out till this pandemic is over. So most economists are in favor of distributing more direct stimulus payments. They're saying that it would help out the economy. It would help out Americans. So there's a big question mark as to the big push for a fourth stimulus check, and the reason being is this. The number of Americans who are filing for unemployment this past week for the first time was 744,000 people. Now remember, they're tracking this weekly, so this is adding into millions of people who for the first time because of this pandemic are having to file for unemployment. The jobs are not there yet. There is still an enormous amount of people that can't find work, or the job that they were working at doesn't even exist anymore. So the conditions are super hard still for a lot of people in America. There are a lot of people that need some quick, immediate help, and that's what these stimulus checks are for, including adding $200 to SSI and SSDI recipients. There's a lot of people that need help, and this is where this new legislation that's about to get passed is gonna help those people out. They've been talking about this for a while, of adding an additional amount to those SSI and SSDI recipients, and now we actually see it that there's been some money, over $110 billion, that has been allocated to help out the elderly and to help out those on Social Security. So there's definitely a plus that's coming with this new infrastructure package that they're looking to get passed. So for those who are still watching, I really appreciate it. So to qualify for the $300 giveaway for this video specifically, we got to get to 5,000 likes. So in order to qualify, number one, make sure to be subscribed to the channel, which I'll verify. Number two, like the video, which I'll also verify. And three, comment on this video anything you would like, which I'll also verify. So I hope we get to 5,000 likes so I can give somebody $300. We're giving our own stimulus on True Life Investing. Now on to that third stimulus check that's being sent out, because there's actually more. Right now, 157 million checks have been sent out, but that's not all of them yet. So far, those that have received benefits via the VA, they haven't received their stimulus check, but it is scheduled to be deposited into their account on April the 14th. And I hate that it's been longer than it should have been to get them their stimulus, but y'all know we've been having some issues for the past couple months with those disbursements, but we know that those will be sent out on the 14th. Also, remember, if you're receiving your stimulus by mail or by an EIP card coming through the mail, you're still gonna have to wait maybe a couple of weeks to get your stimulus. So the IRS says that they're still dispersing out stimulus checks. But if you feel that you should have gotten your stimulus by now, or you have a date on the Get My Payment website and it's been more than 5 days from that date that is set on that website, and you still haven't received your stimulus check yet, then this is what you need to do. Do not call the IRS. It's a waste of time, and they even said it themselves, do not call us. But there is something that you can do called a payment trace. What you'll do is you will print out the form that I have linked in the description called Trace Form. And what you're gonna do is fill that out, and then you're gonna go back to that website with that link, and there's some mailing addresses down if you have to scroll a little bit, but I'm gonna put that link down in the description. But there you're gonna find your state, and then you're gonna mail it to the address that's beside that state so it goes to the right place so they can start that payment trace on your stimulus so you can get your money. Now remember that you can go ahead and have the IRS do this because it gets them focused on your stimulus check. So you can either wait, which, I mean, who wants to wait for their $1,400 or more? So you can go ahead and do that payment trace. Now onto the plus up money that's being sent out on top of these stimulus checks. So this is not the $1,400, this is more. This is actually more stimulus that you should have gotten, but you haven't. In order to qualify for this, you need to file your 2020 tax return, because more of these checks are being sent out. Remember, there's over $1 billion in tax refunds that are supposed to go to people, but people haven't done what they're supposed to do in order to get those tax refunds. And this is where the plus up payments come in. People who were due additional money, that's where the plus up payments makes you one of those people that's where you're getting the extra money, those extra payments sent to you. This includes those who have received a stimulus check based on their 2019 tax returns, but who are eligible for more money now that their 2020 tax returns have been processed. So you gotta file your 2020 tax return. There are many reasons why you can get more money, so don't count yourself out. It's all about life's changes. So whether it was you had a baby, or you got a new job, or you lost a job, I'm sorry if that's happened, or you made less money, or any big change that could have happened in your life qualifies you for a plus up payment. So go file your 2020 tax return. These checks were also issued to people who recently filed tax returns that in order to qualify for the stimulus money. So due to the fact that the IRS did not have their information on record. So make sure, file those 2020 tax returns, get some more stimulus in your bank account. This is going to make sure that if there's any money out there, because there's billions, that you get yours. So there's your stimulus news update and related news. But remember, we're going to work together. We're going to build our own wealth on this channel. So don't forget to do the giveaway so we can give somebody some money. And also don't forget, if you want to start investing and building some wealth, start by getting 2 free stocks with Webull. Or if you prefer Robinhood, those links are down in the description and they get you some free stocks that you can sell, and it's free money. And it gets you started on your path to wealth. It gets you started on that end goal of getting to financial freedom. Remember, don't forget to let me know which free stocks you get down in the comments section. And also, if you don't mind, like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all stimulus and economic news that affects you, and learn how to build some wealth. This is Joe with True Life Investing. Until next time, peace out.